Let's design this beautiful color together. Don't forget, subscribe our channel now. For creating that cover, in first step, insert your picture, then duplicate it. Bring it out of your slide. Select one of them and go to picture format. Go to shadow and select inner shadow. Put the blur option into 100 and then go to artistic effect and choose blur and put the blur radius into 100. Now cut it. Right click on your slide and go to format background and choose picture texture fill and then picture source clipboard. Now insert your picture. Now select your picture and make it bigger. Put it in the middle of your slide. Now go to shape and insert hexagon. Draw a hexagon. Rotate it. Do it as same as you see in this video. Duplicate this shape. Rotate it again. Select all these shapes. Go to shape format, fill, and choose slide background fill. Remove their outline and select one of them. Go to shadow options. Select these shadows, put size in 104 and blur option to 20 pt. Do it for other shapes. Select the appropriate shadow for all shapes. Now select all of them, group them, duplicate all these shapes. Rotate it and bring it to the right side. Now you can add here any text that you want. Don't forget group them. Don't forget, after bring it shapes to the right side, select each of them and go to the shadow option and change the direction of their shadow. And put the size as same as you've done before. Now duplicate your slide. Bring all these shapes out of your slide. And minimize your main picture. In the right side, change the position. Select both of them. Go to transition and select morph transition. Now let's see what's happened. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot.